So first of all, insurance is one of the largest non-digitized industries in the world. So we're looking at a $5.2 trillion industry that still works like in the pre-internet era. And when we started WeFox 7 years ago, my dad, who's an insurance broker, I called him up and I was like, Dad, so how should we tackle insurance to become digital?
Yeah.
And he said, son, all of the businesses are going direct. They're trying to eliminate the agent. But 9 out of 10 insurance policies are actually sold by the human agent.
Exactly.
So why don't you work with the human agent, help him with technology to serve customers better? And that's exactly what we did. People at the beginning said, you know, we're the uncool kids on the block, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And we turned to be the cool kids on the block because that proved to be the right approach. So we have no customer acquisition costs. The agents acquire the customers themselves. We have no negative selection. In terms of profitability, these customers are more interesting, and we have less churn, so more loyalty.
What are you telling your investors? Because your last round this year has valued your business at $4.5 billion, which is what I was saying, that the economy is going down, but your valuation is going up, and that's strange.
So I'm telling them a few things. So number one, the industry is very crisis resistant. It's amongst the most crisis resistant industries in the world. If you look at insurance companies, I think there's only one single industry where companies are older, and that's breweries. So insurance companies have been around, they've seen a lot of crises. The second thing is we're looking at a huge industry with a lot of potential. So it's a $5 trillion industry today, but actually the protection gap, which means a risk that should actually be insured, that's equaling 20 trillion. So a huge protection gap, huge room to grow. And then, of course, we today are very small compared to our potential. So we're today just in Europe. We are market leader in many of the markets. We're capturing market share from the big guys. But Europe is only 30%.
How much market share have you captured from the big guys?
So we're actually growing in terms of new business faster than all of the big guys. So we're beating them in all of our major markets. But Europe is only 30% of global markets. So 30% North America, 30% Asia. So we have so much room to grow in both of these other regions.